Hello Raider Nation, this is Duntov. Today I'm at the Raiders Allegiant Stadium. It is Friday, June 19th, 2020. So today I'm on Russell Road Bridge right now. I'm going to be doing a walk around of the whole place again. I did one about a month ago. We're just going to walk around and see what's going on. So you can see over here, this is the lot where they had all the office buildings, which is the Ford Lot H. Then if we look down on the east side there, you can see fresh blacktop. They just paved that yesterday. So we're going to walk all the way around, then we'll end up down here on this sidewalk on D Mart. We're just going to start the walk. So we're going to walk, right now it's 9:40 in the morning. So this is Russell Road, we're heading west. So this is all new, all these, you know, they widened the sidewalk, got all the trees. Then you can see they put all these palm trees on the property side. If we look across the street, there's a lot of hotels on this side, and you could access them from Dean Martin and Polaris. But those are all non-gaming. If you want casinos, you don't stay there then. This is one of their newest signs. So right now, I'm using my gimbal and my cell phone today. Alright, so we're coming down to Polaris. You can see the two chevrons. Those are Terrible Herbs convenience stores. I get a lot of questions on where to get the Coors Light Raiders cans. You can find them in those. That's where I bought mine. And I know a lot of people buy a lot of cases of them when they do find them. Okay, this is the Ford J lot. This was like one of the first lots they paved. So you can see they're cleaning it out now. So they should be getting ready to put the final seal coat on it and get stripes in over here. Alright, so here's one of the new signs again. They were putting these all up the other day on this side. So you can see Lot B, that's the one over there on the other corner. So Lot B is going to be for shuttles and the buses. And then we got the MGM Resorts VIP entrance, and then the loading docks this way. Look down there, you can see the Luxor, how it's reflecting the light. So sometimes when you're driving, that does get pretty bright. And then if you look at the stadium, it does not reflect the light like that just because of the way it's angled down. So you just see like reflections and stuff, but you don't get that blinding light. Even Mandalay Bay, that gold sometimes is pretty bright if the sun is just right. Okay, so we still got all these cleaning stations here. And you can see this is one of the entrances to get in. lot of dumpsters around. So we got this conveyor here. I don't know exactly what this is, if this eats up the road or maybe it spreads. I don't know, that's just sitting here, but this is Polaris. This road's completely finished. You can see that they're loading all this decorative rock. You can see they got the trucks there. And they got it to spread over here. Alright, so this is another new sign. Okay, so this is the fill tray area. See right now that we got the fence here, so we can't get close. We'll have to go to the other side, but you can see some of the grass. And this is another new sign right here. Let's see what we've got on it. America First Credit Union. So there's my entry that way too. Media entries over there. Just see how they're getting all the rock in all around. Okay, so since it's blocked off, we got to go to this side here. So all this area, this is areas where there used to be a sign on this corner that said future development, like a retail district. So all these buildings over here, I'm pretty sure are going to be torn out, or this is just like a big lot right here, but a lot of the buildings will get torn out and they'll be putting bars and restaurants and probably even small hotels. You can tell, look at the sidewalk, they're not maintaining this place anymore. Alright, so if you look at the reflection on the building, you could see the fill tray grass. You can see the green right by that first palm tree. Again, this should be one of the main entrances, or it is. This is the south entrance. So they got these arched things on the posts again. And you can see them, they're still working on one of the panels. So it looks like they painted the top one, and then they got one more, couple spots right below it that they have to paint still. Alright, so I don't know what they're working on here. They got the sidewalk closed, so we're going to walk through this. So this building, this is something with the Raiders. Either the Raiders or like the Allegiant Stadium. They're renting some of these offices out. So I don't even know if we could walk through here. Okay, and we got one guy over there. He's doing something on the white stripe. See that? is the one I'm talking about. Las Vegas Raiders parking only. You can see the signs on that fence. Alright, so this used to be another lot that it was all like it was block wall and tile and stuff like that, so they cleaned it all out. Now it looks like they're using it to stage some of their equipment. And we got across the street. Side looks like it's open, don't it? Yeah. All right, it's looking like the sidewalk's open on this side, so we're gonna cross over there to get a little closer. So this side, as you can see, they need to, this lot's not done yet. And they used to have the big mounds of dirt here, so they cleaned all that up. So this is like the last area that needs paved now. So right now we're walking, this is going north down Polaris. This sidewalk, as you can see, is not as wide, and with these trees here, you're gonna have thousands of people walking. It doesn't seem, I mean, the trees will make it look nice, but it just seems like they're kind of gonna be in the way at first. Lot. We got some more of these arches. Okay, so going this way, this is lot B. So this is where it said it'll drop off the shuttle buses and regular buses. You can see over there they set up a white tent again down there in the one lot. So we're going to be heading that way. We'll see what that is. All right, the sidewalk's closed again here. Alright, so we're coming up the Hacienda. Show you the building from here. There we go. buses and shuttles over here. That's why they have all these weird looking stripes, so the buses could line up in that certain spot. So you can see how they have the fencing all the way around. Looks pretty good. Alright, so this is Polaris and Hacienda. So Hacienda, at least the bridge area and going into towards the strip, that will be closed. And then Polaris, the map I saw, they said something like it might be one way on event days. Alright, so they got landscaping in. Alright, so Hacienda, you can see the bridge. So I go up that way and I go up by the top of the bridge. But if you take that, it takes you right in between the Luxor and the Mandalay Bay. And then you also have Excalibur down that way. So those would be easy places to stay if you wanted to stay at a hotel with a casino. And you wouldn't have to have a car. You could just walk to the stadium. Alright, so they put this tent up in this lot B now. If you remember, they had one in the other lot, lot C, that right next to the Hacienda Bridge. It originally was like for, I think it said orientation. I'm not sure what this one's going to be for now. Alright, so this little street here, this is Aldebaran. I don't know if it's going to be part of El Davis Way when they finally change the street. How you doing?
How's it going, guys?
Doing good. Yeah, we got our other sign. This was the first one that I noticed they had up. Okay, so we're coming to the front. A lot of people have been posting pictures. They're starting to all get their legacy bricks at their house. They're looking really good. I'm still waiting for my email saying that it's coming. But if you haven't seen the video, they did put a video out yesterday. Allegiant Stadium, I think, is the one that released it. And it shows them laying the first bricks. They look really good. So look for that. Alright, so lot A, right here at the main entrance. There's the Yesco. Yesco got a lot of trucks, but they're a giant company out here. Alright, so you can see them working on the steps now on this side here. They got most of the forms up. Looking good. How you doing? Good. Alright, so this is the main entrance, but right now they're using it as a employee entrance for all the construction crew. Alright, so we're going to try to see. So remember, this is on my cell phone, so I don't have the super zoom. If you look at the guys over there, they're working on putting the legacy bricks in. You can actually see some stacked up over there. Like if you look at that orange cone back behind that, those are the legacy bricks stacked up. And also, I just noticed if you look on the above the doors there at the bottom section where the Raider image is, you can see they got, looks like everything's set up for them to start mounting the sign above them doors. It's looking good. And then right over here, so those are some more legacy bricks right there by that orange cone. You could see through the lanai doors, you could see the torch back behind there. If we look this way, so we're on El Davis right now. We're walking east towards Dean Martin. You could see the electronic billboard. They just hung that up this morning. I think it was on Monday when they mounted the post. So I'm assuming, you know, you gotta leave so much time for the concrete to cure. And you can see cell phone towers over here. They're like mini towers. And these are more legacy bricks. Now the ones that are wrapped in this clear wrap are supposed to be just the filler bricks. And then the ones that are wrapped, there's the one pallet right back there. The short one, the black ones, those are supposed to be personalized ones. So all of these ones are probably just the filler ones, according to what they say. You can see the tops of it, there's no inscriptions on them. Alright, so we got, it's a two-sided video screen, and they're still working on stuff in there. Alright, now we are on, this is Dean Martin right now. So we're heading south. You can see the steps. Looks like they got most of the forms up then for that first set. And then the one closer to the building, they already poured the steps on the lower part of it. Pretty big job. Then we got this big crane waiting to do something over here with this. You can see the big post they put in for some other kind of sign. Alright, I don't know if this way is open or not. They're picking up the divider right now. So, looks like they just redid all this concrete. I think last time we were here it was all tore out. more body work. I think they're working on, that's the last one I remember seeing that little dent on. There you go. And they're wiring up the lights over here. See how he's just sanding it down just so he can get a rough finish to get it painted. Alright, so there's the crew. They're working on getting the mounting tabs up on the, you can see them up there. They're working pretty fast because they got, this is the third section now. If you look on the ground, you can see all those pallets down there. Those are the video screen stuff. Even these right here look like they might be some of the tabs. Pretty soon they got to change these signs. It's just going to say home of the Raiders, not the future home. Alright, so you can see they got this video mesh. You can see how it's pretty transparent, how you can see the glass behind it still. So that's how you'll be able to see through the window when you're inside. Even if the screen's on, you'll be able to see out. All right, we got this lot right here. This is the one that this is the lot they just paved yesterday. Looking good. Where I'm standing, pretty much that whole frame of this video, that is going to be video screen. You can see just the very ends don't have the brackets, so the screen will stop there. Very big. And we got the crew still putting in the fencing. Okay, so now we're almost to the end. So this is, if you look at the off-ramp right there, that is Russell Road off-ramp getting off the 15. So just one big loop. So they report a lot of these They fixed a lot of stuff here, so I guess we gotta walk out here. So here's the first video boards they put up. Alright, so if we look straight ahead, Dean Martin goes underneath Russell Road there. And then it takes you right in. You could go right into all those little hotels. And it's actually where we park, and you can walk on to Polaris and Russell from that other direction. So if you just wanted something close to stay while you're out here and don't care about the casinos, then there's a lot of options over there. I did hear from people already though that checked all the game day dates, and a lot of stuff was booked already. So if you don't have rooms yet, you might not be staying that close. All right, so this is saying this is gate 11 now over here. And it gets you into the lots G, H, J, and R. You can see it's pretty close. Alright, so it just stopped recording, I guess. After so long it stopped. So I was saying that this is lot F. And I know someone that has the best seats, the VIP section. These are where their parking is. You automatically get one parking spot for your 2 seats. So the best seats in the house, they get the parking spot in here. It's not like an assigned spot, you're just assigned a lot. That's where you get the park. Okay, so see them spreading the dirt, or not the dirt, they're actually putting like pea gravel, like a decorative rock in there. So I actually did this walk today because after today it's supposed to start getting very, very hot out again. Okay, this is the lot where the construction's offices used to be. You can see they got a lot of landscaping down in here. Then they got this fence up, I don't know, I guess to keep people out of the wash. Alright, so looks like we're at the end. So we started the video right up there at the top at Russell Road and did the full walk. So right now my watch says 10:16, so it was about 9:40 when we started. So it's a pretty quick walk, you know, because I'm walking slow, recording and stuff, so it's not too bad. Alright, so I guess that's all we got. There's your walk around today. So if you're not subscribed and you want to keep getting updates, please subscribe to my channel, Raiders1967. And then also follow me on Instagram at Duntov67. Alright, Raider Nation, everyone stay safe, and I'll talk with you guys next time.